Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create at yours post on TikTok. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, we need to open our TikTok application. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can start to create a post by clicking on this plus icon. And then I'm just going to upload a photo or video from my device. For instance, I'm going to upload this video to be my TikTok post. And if you want to create the at yours template or at yours post, we can click on this little arrow and then we can scroll down a little bit and click on at yours. Okay, and here we can write a topic. For instance, I'm going to add all about C. And then once you're done writing the topic, you can click on done right here. And before you upload this post to your TikTok, you can add sound or maybe you can add sticker, and it's up to you. Okay, I'm just going to add music to my post, and then we just need to click on next, and we can write caption, and I'm just going to skip it and just click on post to post as at yours post. Okay, and now the post is being uploaded, and I'm just going to track it on my profile. As you can see, now the at yours post has been uploaded to my TikTok. Alright guys, and that's how you can create at yours post on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.